how to migrate from Lovable AI or Lovable Cloud to Supabase. So the first thing that you need to do is open up Lovable, click on all projects and open up the project which you want to migrate. Then you will give it this prompt, migrate to Supabase, and it's basically just going to create database tables. Now, once you have done this, you can click on Cloud at the top, and then you want to navigate to database again. And right here, it should look a little something like this. You will have different tables, and you want to select each one, download it here, export it as CSV. Once you have downloaded it, then you will go into Supabase, open up a project or create a new one, go into database, select new table, and here you will see the option import data from CSV. Click on it. Now you will upload this CSV, which we just downloaded, and you can click on save, and that is how you do it. You need to repeat that for all of your tables. Yeah. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.